Okay, so you saw the job before we started and we just put the covers around the manhole, but now we've actually finished pumping, and so you can see the cellulose fibre is sitting everywhere, nice and even, and it's pumped in, so there's no gaps anywhere. You can imagine if this was bats, there'd be all little gaps down between the bats and the beams themselves. And I'll just walk you through the roof up to the other end. Alright. Sorry about the light in here, but there's a bit more light up the other end. I'll just take you for the tour. Okay, this is just straight off the hose. So this is the level I get just straight off the hose, but a lot of my competitors won't get at that level off the hose. But anyway, I've been doing it for 20 years, so that's why. So this is the other end. As you can see, the cellulose just sits in here and it'll stop 100% of the heat. It'll protect against ants, spiders, cockroaches, silverfish. None of them will live up here, and will make the home warmer in winter when they run heaters inside or reverse cycle air conditioners. Make them about 40% more efficient during winter. So anyway, that's the job. It's pretty hot in here now, so I'm going to get out. Alright, bye. Oh, I've got to remember to put the tile down, of course.